In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a GoDaddy website. If you need to temporarily take your website offline without permanently deleting it, GoDaddy makes that process very simple. Pausing your website is a good option if you're making updates, fixing content, or just want to hide the site for a while. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can do it quickly and confidently. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access your account settings, products, and website tools. Next, click on your profile. This is usually located near the top area of the page, and it gives you access to different account options. After opening that menu, click on My Products. This section shows all of the services and products connected to your GoDaddy account, including your websites. From there, look for the specific website that you want to pause. If you have more than one website, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. This is important because the next steps will apply only to the website you choose. Once you've found the right website, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor and give you access to the settings and controls for that site. Depending on your screen, it may take a few seconds to load, so just wait until the editor fully opens. When you're inside the editor, you'll see the Unpublish option. This is the setting that allows you to pause your website and take it offline. Simply click Unpublish. After you do that, your website will no longer be publicly visible, which means visitors won't be able to access the live version until you publish it again. And that's how you pause your GoDaddy website. It's a fast and useful way to temporarily remove your site from public view without losing your work. If you plan to bring the site back later, unpublishing is often the safest option because your content stays in place inside the editor. Just make sure you confirm that the site has been unpublished successfully before leaving the page. That way, you can be certain the change has gone through. Once you're ready to make the website live again in the future, you can return to the editor and publish it again. That's it for this tutorial, and now you know how to pause a GoDaddy website.